Hello, my friends. I don't know if you can see behind me, but I am standing here in a field of Scotch Broom, this spectacular yellow flower. Now, I'm going to go on a bit of a plant rant here. This plant, the Scotch Broom, is often called an invasive species. In fact, in my area, there are clubs and communities that organize Scotch Broom destruction days, where they go out and dig up as much Scotch Broom as they can, because they think of it as invasive. But I want you to look at where I am. This is a massive field that has been graded flat for an industrial park that has not yet developed out here. And then about a year later, a fire raged right through here, and the planes that dumped fire retardant blasted it right through here. So this field is very disturbed land. It's broken, desiccated. You can see the soil is just terrible. It's this iron-rich red dirt of the Sierra Nevada, which is an indicator of gold, by the way. And so this soil is just not ready for prime time. It needs to be repaired. And that's what these plants come to do. So-called invasive plants repair the land that they're in. They refix nitrogen, they rebuild the soil, they're deep roots that prevent erosion. They're legume plants, so they're nutritive to other plants. And look at this one. This is a hybrid with it has more of a white color. It's a genetic thing. They're not quite as starkly yellow. So the argument I'm making then is that basically they're not only beautiful and beneficial, they are quote unquote invasive because human beings have wrecked the land and they're here to fix it. Look at this yellow as far as the eye can see. They've moved into this land, and notice they're not over there in land that is irrigated and cultivated. They're here in a field that has been grazed flat and left for dead. That's what invasive plants do. They come into an area and fix it and move out, almost always because of human activities. Ecosystems change. Plants move wherever they want, wherever there's conditions that support them. In this field, I'm walking around, I see Scotch Broom, pine, cedar, lupin, creosote, who else? Yerba Santa. A beautiful collection of both medicinal and beneficial herbs, plants, and trees, which are here because they can be here. And they're here because they're doing something beneficial to this soil. Human beings do not have the right to project our own notions of empire and colonialization onto the plant world. But we do it all the time. We talk about native plants and invasive plants. It's all bullshit. It's applying colonizing vocabulary into the botanical world. Look at these lovely bees on them. Fantastic. Wildflowers will not grow where the conditions are not right. And conditions are right for Scotch Broom here. So they're growing here. I'm getting a little hot about this subject. It just drives me nuts. It's all bullshit. It's all human notions projected into the natural world. We need to get away from them, okay? Plants grow where they can. They are opportunists. And I guarantee you, if they're growing in an area, they're doing something that's important for that area. And it's us that's out of step with them, not them that's out of step with us. Long live the plants. Ciao.